Welcome back, guys. In this topic, we'll be looking into HTML5 paths. HTML5 path describe the location of a file in your website's folder structure. What I mean by the location of a file is maybe let's say that we are within this file path that I just created, and we want to target an image. Okay, so let me comment this off now. And let's say I want to target an image. Print this out. Okay, let's say I want to target this image, of course, which is not in my browser, which is not in my website folder structure. All my images are in my img. So let me bring out one of the images into the current page or the root. Should be into Codealong. Okay, move. Okay, so I now have my image within the root of my website. So let's say I want to target that image. I want to get the location of the image, so I could eventually delete this and just add Igbo. You can see it just came up. So that means my Igbo icon.png file is located in the same folder as the current page. So you can see where this is my file path. So this is the page that I'm in, and this is where the Igbo icon is. So you can see the tree structure that are on the same branch. So the Igbo icon 50 and also the HTML5 part is on the same branch or page. So let's see. You can see our file is showing. So then for the second one, let's say we want to get in the second description, we have an images/picture.jpg. So which means that our file should be located in the images folder, which is also in the current folder. So that means we'll be targeting this. So let me move this and only img/Igbo home. So that moves to say that my file is located in the img folder, which is also in the current folder. So let me collapse all of this, and you can see my HTML5 part is within here, and this is the folder that my images are in. So I could eventually use the img/Igbo home to target my file, which is in the img. So let me take a look. Oops, that's too big. But let me remove it. So it doesn't make the file to be too large. So let me leave it at the picture.jpg. So mind you that whenever the website looks for an image and it doesn't see, if you provide an alt, it's supposed to show picture. If you don't provide an alt, it won't show anything. So you can see picture. So that's just a reminder. Then for the next one, it says the picture.jpg file is located in the images folder at the root of the current web. So the file is located in the images folder, which is this. So let me remove it. /img/Igbo icon. So have I brought this back? It seems like I brought it back. So it goes to say that our file is located in the images folder at the root of the current web. So this is our images folder, which is also at the root. So it's also at the root here of the Codealong. So you can either use this or this. Okay, so the next one, which is the dot dot slash, goes to show that our file is located in the folder one level up from the current folder. So this, let's demonstrate it this way. Let's say we are in CSS. Let me open a new file, style.css. Then I will say that our background, let's add a background image to the body. Body should have a background image. Background image URL. And then I can actually add my image here. So we'll be targeting. You can see where I am. I'm in the CSS folder, and I want to target another folder called image that has the Indigo icon. So what I'm going to do from here is to target this from here. I should be able to do dot slash to be able to go out of the CSS file. So with the dot slash now, I'm already out on the CSS. So from here I could be able to see the IMG. So the next one is to write my IMG, and you can see with the VS Code helper I could be able to see where I'm heading to. IMG slash the image that I want to show on the background. So let me refresh. Doesn't show. Okay, sorry, I didn't put it in here, so I could eventually add my link should be CSS, and that should be style.css also, which is in CSS slash style.css. So let me refresh, and you can see we now have our image here. So, and in the file part we have an absolute and relative file pattern. The absolute file part specify the full URL. Let me open up a link here, a full link, and this should have a Codealong slash html slash video slash Codealong videos .ur.com. So it goes to show that we are in the Codealong website, which is the main domain, and we are targeting the video folder, which is in the Codealong, and we are going into the Codealong videos, which is also in the video file, in the video folder. And this is the absolute file part. It goes to show the full URL, and then we have our relative file part, which we have been demonstrating here. These are all relative file parts. So in a rule of thumb, or in a more sense, always use relative file pattern to locate your images. So, and that's it on HTML file part. Thanks guys.